Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into Phantom, a revolutionary app available at Phantom.app that's changing the way we interact with the Solana blockchain. For those unfamiliar, Solana is a high-performance blockchain known for its incredible speed and low transaction fees. Phantom acts as a bridge, a user-friendly gateway, to this exciting ecosystem. Think of it as your passport to the world of Solana. What makes Phantom so special? It's a sleek, secure, and non-custodial wallet designed specifically for Solana. This non-custodial aspect is crucial, meaning you, and only you, control your private keys and therefore your funds. No third party holds your assets, giving you complete ownership and peace of mind. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced crypto users to navigate. Beyond simply storing your Solana tokens, Phantom unlocks a whole new world of decentralized applications, or dApps. The Solana ecosystem is brimming with innovative projects, from decentralized finance to DeFi platforms to exciting NFT marketplaces, and Phantom seamlessly integrates with them all. Imagine swapping tokens, earning yield, and collecting unique digital art, all within a single, streamlined application. That's the power of Phantom. Security is paramount in the crypto space, and Phantom takes it seriously. The app employs robust encryption and security measures to protect your assets from potential threats. It's designed with a focus on user safety, offering features like secure seed phrase storage and transaction signing verification. This gives you confidence that your funds are safeguarded at every step. So, if you're looking to explore the vibrant Solana ecosystem, Phantom is an excellent starting point. Head over to Phantom.app to download the app and start your journey today. It's the key to unlocking the speed, efficiency, and innovation of Solana, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. Remember, the link is Phantom.app. We highly recommend checking it out. What are your thoughts on Phantom? Let us know in the comments below.